Are you looking for some easy and healthy plant-based Mediterranean inspiration? Here are two fantastic must-try recipes to make in minutes. First one, Zaatar Eggplant Skillet. Sliced eggplant, salt and let sit for 15 minutes to draw out bitterness. Then rinse off salt, pat dry to remove excess water. Now it's ready to be diced without bitterness. Slice half a pound of mushroom, slice them thick, then 1 cup of cherry tomatoes halved, 4 cloves of chopped garlic or minced, half a juice of lemon, feta cheese and some fresh chopped parsley, 1.5 tablespoons of za'atar spice and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Start by sauteing mushrooms for a couple of minutes on medium-high heat. Then add the eggplants and saute for about 3-4 minutes. Add the chopped garlic and saute for another minute. Then add the cherry tomatoes and saute for another minute. Then we're going to add the za'atar spice and the cumin and mix. Then the lemon juice, add the parsley and crumble feta cheese, and we're good to go. Pair your dish with side of quinoa and enjoy. That was super easy, right? Now let's move on to our second dish, Moroccan spiced cauliflower and chickpea skillet. 1 small red onion finely chopped, and 4 cloves of chopped garlic or minced, 1 small to medium sized cauliflower cut into florets, a can of chickpeas, half a cup of vegetable broth and 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste, juice of half a lemon and some fresh chopped parsley for garnish, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of coriander, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and salt and pepper to taste. Saute diced red onions for a couple of minutes. Add the chopped garlic and saute for another minute. Then add the cauliflower florets and saute for about 2 minutes. Then add the chickpeas and saute for another minute. Then we are going to add our seasonings one by one. Then add the vegetable broth and the lemon juice and mix well. Then the tomato paste and mix and dissolve. Turn the heat down, mix everything well, and take a taste. Adjust any seasoning if needed. Garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or toasted sesame seeds, optional, and enjoy. I've also enjoyed this dish cold with some fresh spinach tossed in. Delicious either way. Both of these recipes are super easy, healthy, and totally fit the bill. Speaking of the bill, you can make both for about $20 and get 6 to 8 servings. Now that's what I call budget friendly. The eggplant za'atar serves 3 to 4 and comes in at around 200 calories per serving. The Moroccan spice cauliflower and chickpeas serves 3 to 4 as well, with about 240 to 260 calories per serving, depending on the portion size. They are perfect as main dishes, but also work great as flavorful sides or even appetizers. If you enjoyed this video and found value, hit that like button and subscribe now for more delicious and healthy meals, and explore my other videos for more inspiration. You'll find a quick summary of both recipes in the description below for easy reference. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.